You probably heard people say walnuts are great for your heart, brain, and even joint pain. And they're absolutely right. But here's something most people never tell you. If you eat walnuts the wrong way, you could actually be blocking nutrients, hurting your digestion, and even raising inflammation, especially if you're over 60. Many seniors who mean well, they eat walnuts every day for health, but because of these 10 simple mistakes, they end up with gas, bloating, and even fatigue. So in this video, eat walnuts, avoid these 10 dangerous mistakes, senior tips, we'll uncover the 10 dangerous walnut mistakes you must avoid and how to eat them the right way for better memory, stronger bones, and a healthy heart. Stay with me till the end, because mistake number 10 is one even health-conscious people don't realize could make walnuts toxic. Now, remember to like the video, subscribe to Green Health, and turn on your notification bell to get updates on our newest uploads. Mistake 1. Eating walnuts without soaking them. This is the biggest mistake most seniors make, eating walnuts raw, straight out of the pack. Raw walnuts contain something called phytic acid and enzyme inhibitors, which prevent your body from absorbing important minerals like calcium, magnesium, and zinc. And guess what? These are the very nutrients your bones and nerve need as you age. Action, the fix? Soak your walnuts overnight in warm water with a pinch of salt. By morning, they'll be softer, sweeter, and far easier to digest. If you want to speed it up, soak them for 4 to 6 hours, then drain and dry before eating. You can even refrigerate them for a quick snack later. Mistake 2. Storing walnuts in the pantry or plastic bags. Here's something you may not know. Walnuts contain omega-3 fatty acids, which are delicate and can turn rancid very fast. Leaving them in the pantry or in warm areas exposes them to heat and light, causing oxidation. Rancid walnuts not only taste bitter, they actually produce free radicals that damage cells and increase inflammation in the body. Action, the fix. Always store walnuts in an airtight glass jar and keep them in the refrigerator or freezer. This way, they stay fresh and nutrient-rich for weeks. Mistake 3. Cooking or baking walnuts at high temperatures. A lot of people sprinkle walnuts on cakes, bake them in bread, or roast them at high heat. Unfortunately, heat above 160 degrees destroys the omega-3 fats and polyphenols, the compounds that make walnuts anti-inflammatory and heart protective. Action, the fix. If you love baking, add your walnuts after cooking or just sprinkle them raw on oatmeal, salads, or smoothies to retain all their healthy oils. Mistake 4. Buying salted or flavored walnuts. Flavored walnuts, honey roasted, chocolate covered, or spicy, might taste great, but they're loaded with sodium, sugar, and preservatives that can spike blood pressure and cancel out the heart benefits. For seniors dealing with hypertension or diabetes, that's a dangerous combo. The fix is always choose raw, unsalted, or dry roasted organic walnuts. Your taste buds will adjust, and you'll start enjoying their natural earthy sweetness. Mistake 5. Eating too many walnuts. Yes, even healthy foods can be too much of a good thing. 1 ounce, about 7 halves, gives you all the omega-3s and antioxidants you need, but eating more can cause bloating, weight gain, or diarrhea, especially in seniors with slower metabolism. The fix is stick to 1 small handful daily. Pair it with fruits or yogurt for balance. Mistake 6. Mixing walnuts with sugary foods. When you eat walnuts with sugar, like in cakes, caramel-coated nuts, or even honey, it spikes your blood sugar and blocks the anti-inflammatory benefits. That combination creates glycation, a process that accelerates aging and damages collagen. Bad news for your skin and joints. The fix? Combine walnuts with fiber-rich foods, oats, Greek yogurt, apples, or even boiled sweet potatoes. They balance blood sugar and boost energy.
Mistake 7. Not drinking enough water with walnuts. Walnuts are high in fiber. That's great. But if you don't drink enough water, that same fiber can cause constipation, especially in seniors. Fiber absorbs water to move waste through your system. The fix? Drink a full glass of water after eating nuts. Staying hydrated helps your digestive system work smoothly. Mistake 8. Expecting instant results. Some seniors start eating walnuts for memory or heart benefits, but give up after a week. Walnuts work gradually. They improve blood flow, reduce cholesterol, and enhance brain function over time. The fix? Be consistent. Eat a small portion daily for at least 6 to 8 weeks. You'll notice better skin, mental clarity, and even improved joint flexibility. Mistake 9. Eating walnuts with coffee or tea. Coffee and tea contain tannins that block the absorption of iron and zinc, nutrients that walnuts supply in good amounts. When you eat walnuts and sip coffee together, you reduce their nutritional impact. The fix? Wait at least 45 minutes after your coffee or tea before eating walnuts. Mistake 10. Ignoring freshness and expiration dates. Old walnuts smell bitter, oily, or have a grayish tint. That's oxidation. Oxidized walnuts create harmful compounds that can increase free radicals, which contribute to aging, inflammation, and even memory loss. The fix? Always check the date, smell before eating, and store them in cool, dry places. Fresh walnuts have a mild, nutty aroma. So, there you have it, the 10 dangerous mistakes seniors make with walnuts. Remember, it's not just what you eat, it's how you eat it. Walnuts can be your best friend for heart, brain, and joint health, or your hidden enemy if eaten the wrong way. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend or family member over 60 who eats walnuts daily. And if you love me to make a video on how to combine walnuts with other superfoods for energy and better sleep, comment Walnut Power below. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep shining. Check out our previous videos. Stop buying junk. Try these easy and quick snacks to make at home. Healthy, tasty, and ready in minutes. And eat eggs, but never make these 7 mistakes. They can be fatal. Senior health tips. I hope to see you in the next one. Remember, green health cares.